Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, my name is Jessica and I'd like to invite you to join me on an amazing virtual tour of one of the most beautiful places in Portugal, Praia do Amado. I'm sure you're gonna love it here. So, press the like button and leave a comment below. Your opinion is very important to me. First, let me tell you a little bit about this lovely beach town. Praia do Amado belongs to the municipality of Vila do Bispo, and it is a perfect place for surfers and nature lovers. The village is framed by a lovely bay, with crystal clear blue waters, and surrounded by stinnings and dunes. But Praia do Amado is more than just waves and stunning coastline views. The main attraction of the village is the small, picturesque beach and its unique rock formations. Here you can enjoy a walk along the beach, marveling at the beauty all around you. If you're a keen golfer, then Praia do Amado should definitely be on your list. The golf course nearby has some of the best views in Portugal, making it the ideal spot for a game of golf. Besides golf, there are plenty of other activities to enjoy in Praia do Amado. For example, you can take a scenic boat ride, visit the local fishing village, or even visit some of the nearby caves. No matter what activity you choose, there's no doubt that Praia do Amado is the perfect place for a relaxing getaway. So, why don't you take a tour with me and get lost in the beauty of Praia do Amado? I'm sure you'll find something to love here. And don't forget to like and comment below, and also to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!